You unlock this door with the key of imagination. Beyond it is another dimension. A dimension of sound. A dimension of sight. A dimension of mind. You're moving into a land of both shadow and substance, of things and ideas. You've just crossed over into the Twilight Zone.
It's a shame the gym is closed until further notice.
Yeah, I mean, I guess we're just stuck here until then.
Yep.
Hey, what's this?
What? 25 cents. Mystic Trump. Ask a yes or no question. Do you have any quarters?
I sure do.
Oh, lucky us. What should we ask him?
Ask about the gym.
Oh, of course. Will the gym be open in half an hour? Well, that's awesome. All right, what should we ask him next?
Should we do legs? Yeah, I guess legs was probably a stupid idea.
Of course. I mean, naturally we should do chest day then.
Yeah, why don't we ask him about chest day?
Okay. Mystic Trump. Should we do chest day? Oh, so we're doing chest day. What else should we ask him?
Well, chest day, will I finally bench 315 today, Trump? He says I can't do it. Oh, come on, that's baloney.
Okay, this has got to be ridiculous. Let's get out of here.
No.
All right, yeah, he was right.
This year's electrical engineering senior design project was to build a fortune-telling napkin holder, like the one in the Twilight Zone episode Nick of Time. In addition, our project needed to have wireless control of the responses dispensed by the machine. Our machine starts with an input detected when a quarter is inserted. Other coins will be rejected and dispensed out the chute on the side of the box. There is also a coin return button on the top next to the bobblehead. After the initial input, push a button on the remote corresponding to the response choice desired. One press on the button with a single dot for yes and a double press for a weak yes. One press on the button with two dots for no and a double press for a weak no. And one press on the button with three dots for a neutral. After the response is entered, a short time of no more than 10 seconds is required for the machine to get ready, and then the lever can be pulled to dispense the card. Once unlocked, the front panel can be lifted up. This allows the owner to refill the cards in the card holder on the left, remove the quarters on the right, turn the machine on and off with the power switch, or unlock the top panel to get to the electronics in the back.
The card delivery system involves only two moving parts, a stepper motor and a solenoid piston. 25 cards are loaded individually into a rack, ready to be dispensed. The stepper motor turns a pulley, which moves the solenoid up and down, positioning it behind any of the 25 cards. The machine then waits for the user to pull a lever before firing the solenoid to propel the selected card out of the rack. For coin detection, the fortune teller uses a standard coin mech common in vending machines and arcade games. The mech is adjusted to only accept US quarters. When a coin is accepted by the mech, it is dropped between a bright LED and a photoresistor, which sends a signal to the Arduino.
The Arduino is programmed to continuously search for a signal from the coin input. After the signal is received, the Arduino waits and searches for an input signal from the wireless transmitter, then debounces and checks the signal for a double click. Using a set of arrays, the Arduino keeps track of which cards have been dispensed along with the number of steps the step